rescuing people. Wow. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Wow, babe.
Don't they got the boats right?
There's
The boat's not something out in there, usually around there, but
Get the people out. And
oh my God, they're all flooded back there too.
yeah.
They're all flooded. Wow.
There's a ball or something
I see
floating
that.
down
Are they rescuing someone? That is just wow.
there. There's a jump off Joe Creek, right?
I think so. Road's up out of the water over there.
Mm-hmm. There may be blocked. Bear camp.
I'm sure it is. I wonder how much snow in the mountains is melting. Or I wonder how much is even up there.
Yeah, don't really see anything from
No, but you know, bear camp's got to have 3 feet or something probably still.
I don't know.
No,
I don't know.
I don't either.
Might have some.